I'm shaking. Actually, not intentionally. Welcome to your virtual science class. So, I don't know if you have noticed, but you've been studying chapter 7, 8, and 9 because on Friday we're going to be having our exam over chapter 7, 8, and 9 of science, and then we're done with science. And I know some of you, actually a lot of you, love science so much, and you're going to be really disappointed. But we're going to be studying for science just a little bit. Hopefully you're studying at home. But I thought I would review some of the birds with you and a few things that you're going to need to learn. For chapter 9, make sure you're familiar with the days of creation and also with the planets in order from the sun. Be familiar with some of those terms. Remember, we talked about the sun and the moon, where we get our days, where we get our years, revolutions and rotations, and all of those different things. Chapter 7 was with the rocks. But let's just take a second and go over our birds. And I'm sorry that this is shaking right now. It's on a chair, so the stand is on a chair, so the phone's like, whoa, but we're okay. All right, let's go over some. And there are 25 that we're going over. So try to keep score of how many that you get right before I say the answer, okay? All right, ready? This is California gull. This is the common loon, or the loon. This one's been a while. This is the flicker, 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 like the sound that it makes. This one also has the sound that it makes. It is the, oh, sorry, it's a chicken. It's the bluebird. This is the bluebird. I apologize because I flipped 2 cards accidentally, and this is the one I was trying to talk about, which totally threw my my train of thought off. This is the chickadee, and it says the sound that it makes, chickadee-dee-dee-dee, as it hangs upside down on the underside of twigs. All right, this one, 5-inch bird with its tail straight up in the air. It is the wren. Lark bunting. Okay, this one is the purple finch. Purple finch. Known for the red crest, this is the cardinal. The New Jersey's bird is the goldfinch. All right, scissortail flycatcher. I know you guys are flying through these, I'm sure. Meadowlark. Mockingbird. Robin. Oh, I have that one already. The California quail. Oh yeah, you guys love this one, the chicken. This is one of our newer ones. So this is the pheasant. This one, oh my goodness, so cute, so cute. The willow ptarmigan, or the ptarmigan. All right, remember this one's one of your favorites. The nene, the nene. Ooh, all right, next. The brown pelican. This one is on Looney Tunes. This is Roadrunner. The brown thrasher. I like this one. The ruffed grouse, or the grouse. This is the northern oriole. And the last one is hermit thrush. All right, write down your score. Hopefully you got all 25, and you can write it down in the comments of how many you got right.